Jury selection started in the trial of former Fulton County District Attorney Paul Howard. The longtime lead prosecutor is accused of sexual harassment and abuse of power by a former county employee. Fox 5's Eric Perry has been inside the federal courtroom all day and is live in downtown with the very latest. Eric?
Yeah, Tom, happy Wednesday to you. Former district attorney for Fulton County, Paul Howard, usually sitting where the plaintiff sits. Today, he sat in the defense. They spent all day whittling down that 50 pool of people to 12 jurors who will ultimately make the decision in this case. While it would appear to be a routine start to a trial Wednesday, there's nothing ordinary about the case and who it involves. Former Fulton County District Attorney Paul Howard is at the center of a federal lawsuit by a former employee, Kathy Carter, alleging sexual harassment and abuse of power. In the lawsuit filed in 2020, Carter claims she worked under Howard for 15 years and says he sexually harassed her and forced her into, quote, an intimate activity, some inside his office at the Fulton County Courthouse. Carter admits she enjoyed the preferential treatment, but says those perks went away when she ended the affair. She claims she faced disciplinary actions and was ultimately fired from her position as a paralegal and record supervisor. Howard fighting against the claim, saying she was let go because of an arrest for an assault while carrying a gun in Clayton County. Wednesday, both Carter and Howard sat in court and watched their legal teams pick a jury who will ultimately decide their fate. Experts say it could be hard in a he said, she said case like this.
Ultimately, what it comes down to is a credibility factor for the jury, right? Who is the more believable witness?
Jessica Sino has years as a lawyer with cases like this. One constant question asked Wednesday to potential jurors if they have daughters and if they've ever had managerial experience.
What you're trying to find out is who can step into the shoes of your client and see it through their lens, right? That's the essential part. So you want to find out who's got a daughter, who can empathize with your client.
Howard is expected to take the stand and testify. Sino says that will be crucial for jurors.
There's no way the defense could go forward with this case without hearing from him. The jury wants to hear from you. They want to know what your defense is to all of this. What is your version of the facts? Because truly, no matter what the case is, there's always two sides to every single story.
Yeah, and back out here live, opening arguments expected to start first thing in the morning there. And we also learning that the former district attorney is expected to take the stand and testify in this case. Of course, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. Outside the Fulton County Courthouse, I'm Eric Perry, Fox 5 News.
All right, Eric, thanks for the latest.